Space is a big place. It's full of stars and planets, but it also has lots of rocks. Some of these rocks are really big, like asteroids. Others are much smaller, like pebbles. Sometimes these space rocks come close to Earth. If they get close enough, Earth's gravity can pull them in. That's when things get exciting. When a space rock enters Earth's atmosphere, it travels very fast. The friction from the air makes the rock heat up and glow brightly. This glowing streak of light is called a meteor. Meteors are also called shooting stars, but they aren't really stars at all. They are just hot rocks from space. Most meteors burn up completely before they hit the ground. In 1492, something amazing happened in a town called Ensisheim. People saw a bright fireball in the sky. It made a loud noise and then crashed into a wheat field. This wasn't just any rock. It was a meteorite, a piece of space rock that survived its journey through Earth's atmosphere. The Ensisheim meteorite weighed over 280 pounds. The Ensisheim meteorite was a very important event. It was the first time that a meteorite fall was recorded in such detail. People came from all over to see the amazing rock from space. Today, the Ensisheim meteorite is still studied by scientists. It tells us about the early solar system and the materials that make up planets. It's a reminder that Earth is part of a much larger universe, full of wonder and mystery.